Hi, I'm Kim Winston Jackson, and today I'm here with a typewriter video. And this particular typewriter is the Brother Opus 889. I got it a couple of weeks ago as an early birthday present, and I'm really happy with it. I love the color and everything, and this is the first manual typewriter that I've gotten that I've truly enjoyed. So let me just go over some of the things that I found wrong with it. It's in pretty good condition, but there was just a couple of things wrong with it when I got it. Okay, under the hood, if you will, you see this grommet and this grommet, this rubber grommet over here. They're obviously different. This is the original one, this gray one over here, and it's slightly smaller than this black one. This black one I actually got at a hardware store because the rubber grommet on this side when I got it had just completely disintegrated, so when I touched it, it just fell apart. So I got this grommet from the hardware store, and it's slightly bigger than the original one. So to make the little tab here that fits into it, hold it in place properly, I had to put some electrical tape on it to make it a little thicker so that it would correspond to the size of this grommet. But you can find the correct size grommet for it online if you just go to and just buy an assortment of grommets, and you can get a smaller one than this one, and that should fit perfectly. Another thing was that it came with the metal ribbon spools, but the ribbon was really light on them, so it needed to be changed. So I just replaced it with a generic ribbons and the plastic spools. But other than that, the typewriter was in pretty good condition. And before I put the cover back on it, I just want to go over some things. This is the Brother Opus 889, as I said before, and from what I can tell, it's almost identical to the Webster XL-747 typewriter, which is also made by Brother, but it's just marked. It's branded the Webster XL-747. The only differences I can find was this little metal piece right here that's in the ribbon area. It's wider. This little piece is wider on this particular typewriter than it is on the Webster XL-47, and also this paper release latch right here is shaped differently than the paper release latch on the XL-747. But that could just be because these typewriters were made in different years or something like that. So it's really no big deal, and those are just minor differences. But other than that, they look practically identical to me. And so put the cover back on, and I don't think you can see over here because the light's shining right there, but this is the touch indicator. So you can I have it set to light touch right now. You can have it anywhere in between light to high touch, and that just affects how the keys feel under your fingers. And it has tab, margin release, the shift lock, regular shift, repeat spacer, and regular spacer. And I must say that this typewriter has the best typing experience that I've found on the manual typewriter. Now I haven't experienced that many, but this is my favorite one, and that's why I went in search of another typewriter just like it, and I didn't find the Brother Opus 889, but I did find a Webster 747, which they seem to be more readily available than the Opus 889 models. So let me see if I can type something real quick on it. Okay. and this. So it types really well, and I do enjoy it. But that's all I really have for this. Wait, there's one more thing, the case. So let me put this typewriter away for just a second and show the case that it came in, because it did come in its original case. And just before I show the original case, it came with some documentation also. This is the Brother How to Use and Enjoy Your Portable Typewriter manual, and it basically shows how to change the ribbon. It gives an overview of the components and functions of the different parts of the typewriter, and talks about oiling the typewriter, and then it has a typewriter lesson on the back. And then it came with the 5-year guarantee, warranty card, a Brother little advertisement, and the Brother as Seen on TV card. So that's the documentation that this particular typewriter came with. And now let me show you the case. This is the case, and the Webster XL-747, which is also made by Brother, comes in the identical case. And this is the bottom where the base of the typewriter sits, and this is the top part of the case. It has a little sleeve where you can put some papers in or something, and it has a pen holder, and it zips close. And that's the case, and it's a very small case. I have a ruler right here. I can try to measure it. Let's see, basically 11. Let's see. It seems to be 11 by 5 by 11 by 5, so, or just slightly, maybe a little larger than that here, but it's no bigger than 12 by 12, so it's pretty portable. And the typewriter fits in there well. So that's all I have for this video. Thanks.